Good morning once again. Welcome to all of you. In today's session, we discuss how to secure your network. In other words, how to traffic management in the network. And this is a lot of option is available. How to manage traffic in your network. Either you can say how to control your network for the security point of view. So before going to security, just today I provided one job ad in your group, that is the ACL, by the name of the ACL access control list. And we try to first make normal configuration in network, and this is also a many types of project. uh, After the complete configuration of the network, then we go for the security. Okay, so just you can say ki this session first help to from day one to till time what types of configuration we are already done, it will be revised. Okay, and then we go for the further. So for this again I start the fresh packet tracer. Just this new version, I open the fresh version here. Okay, I'm saying this, saving this project, save as ACL. Okay, I just follow the job ad. In the job ad, directly implemented command of the security, but before implementation of security, we required complete without any restrictions of the network. So in this case, I just take three routers, 2811 already, because this router is sufficient in our network. Every router have own LAN, so definitely one switch is required. Just click on the switch and just take three switch. We just list 10. Okay, after when three, then will be again list 10 and make, because it at least 2 days minimum require complete this session. So it may be on Monday. So another session it will be complete. Okay. So just today I try to make a network, and it is already aware about this, how to selection of the devices and how to connect to each other. Anything is new add here, I will add it here. Some two computers in every network I just taken. I follow the job at complete. Okay. In as per you seeing when job at, so there is one server is also taken. Click here and this server. Okay. Now I want to connect these all devices to the devices. Okay. Straight cable. I in this you have two options. You connect any option, no problem. So, but I here for similarity without any creation of additional mind either confusion, I just select in each and every LAN 01. Okay, and the switch is 01. Same 01 01. Okay. Now this computer connected to the local switch, so definitely straight cable for internet purpose, fast Ethernet 0. You can put any problem, any port, there is no issue. So without here any question mark, you connect these devices in the local switch. Another mode adding here. Okay, and this is okay. So this is a local connection. Now one issue is here, because this router is a series of 2811. So only two fast Ethernet port. Okay. So for the middle router, there is one issue is here, because one port already used, but here required one communication port for the here left hand side router and one port for the right hand side router. Okay, but he have only one port. So in this case, we required additional port in this router. So for example, in computer, in your own computer, either laptop, if any port either device not is available, so how to fulfill that port? Just go to the market, purchase additional port as per your requirement, and this port installed in your computer hardware as a spare part. Okay, and it will be automatically added. So same manner in the router, we have no additional port. Uh, Suppose in this router number one, we required three port, but actually it have the two port only. So for additional port, third number of port, definitely we just go to the market, purchase additional port and install in this router. Okay. So it is same manner like computer. One more thing keep in the mind, in human is a very smart. Okay, if I or you want to some require some additional port either any devices, so first my thinking is very simple. I want to try minimum rate, maximum functionality. Okay, minimum rate, maximum functionality, either maximum facilities required. So if definitely I go to the market, purchase fast Ethernet port here and install. But I just realize if fast Ethernet port openly, if open, purchase in the market, cost is very high. But in place of fast Ethernet port, if I use additional ports, either you can say alternative port of the fast Ethernet here install. So in this case, definitely we are take advantage. So it's serial port, another port in the market available, serial port. Serial port, what is the advantage of the serial port? Serial port advantage, number one, in the normal fast Ethernet port, maximum internet speed is the, in case of 5G, 100 Mbps. Okay. But in the serial port, maximum speed is a 300 Mbps. Number one advantage. Number two, uh, suppose if you are installed fast Ethernet port, cost of the fast Ethernet port is suppose 500 rupees. But in case of the, if you want you purchase serial port, so in this case cost is only 200 rupees. So there is a below very economical rate in comparison to the fast Ethernet port. So we just use of the serial port. Okay, doesn't matter. Here you are not bounded ki why. I just give the example of the practical. In the real world, in the BSNL, if you are working in the field area, definitely everybody go to the market and try to the minimum rate. And so definitely every router, if you are see visit any location of the BSNL, either Reliance, other company, definitely you are seeing additional port is the serial port. Okay, by default. If you have a lot of money, that is a different thing. Otherwise, in practically serial port. So now this case, and this is also keep in the mind in the communication. If you start by the fast Ethernet port, suppose if I start this location is the fast Ethernet port, so definitely another end is also fast Ethernet port. Doesn't matter in the mid between what you change, doesn't matter. But a starting point or ending point, all are the similar. So definitely if here I installed in serial port, so you also install here serial port. You also install in this location is serial port. Similarity. Okay, it is the main concept of the communication. The starting and end both are the similar. Okay. So now how to addition configure in here? Suppose I just click this router and just is the, this is the blank space area. This is a blank space, blank space. Okay. So if you have park here is a lot of module. NM means new module. Okay. The new module and there is some symbol is here. So don't remember symbol. If you are put any location, detail will be showing here. And what look like that port is so you can say here. See here. Okay. Again repeat, this blank port, in this left hand side a lot of module is available, and this module can be put in this blank location. This what is the specification, yeah, what types of this module are you want to know about, just click on this module. I suppose click to, okay, this is the symbol and this is the detail. Okay, if I click this another any location, this is change, detail will be here. Okay, M cover, this is a close cover. Okay, so now in this location, what we can see, serial port. You have also fast Ethernet port. This is a fast Ethernet, but already is plan. He human is the intelligent human, is very smart, and he just the minimum rate and good quality and good opportunity what available. He that use here. Okay. So now here is the NM4S. Okay, now 4 serial port. 4S means 4 serial port in this 8 serial port. This is 8 port. Okay, so now again see here, just move my mouse here, so you can see fast Ethernet 0 by 0 and 0 by 1. Okay, but I want to additional port, click here. So how to additional port, just power supply off, and here just a new module 4AS, because here no one AS is available. So because this is the simulator, to money is not issue, so you can put any port, no problem. Just click on here port, this 4 port. You can also 8 port, no problem. Just press here and power supply on. If again higher here my mouse moves, देखिए you can see a serial port for additional port. Same in the middle router, power supply off. This is the 4 port. Just put here power supply on. Okay. In the last router, again power supply off. This 4, this port. Okay. So now my this router is have additional port. Okay. Now connection of this one router to another router. Click in this case cables, and you just move your mouse. So here you have option serial DC and serial DT. You can use here both cable. There is no issue. But what is the meaning of the DC and DT? DC matlab digital communication equipment. Digital communication equipment, and DT digital terminal equipment. Okay, what different, you I say कि you put any cable, there is no problem, but name is different, and some symbol you can say timer here, it is also indicate ki where this cable are used. Okay, so how, again I repeat, you use both of any cable, there is no problem. Okay, but in the real world I use where DC and DT, just explain here now. DCE, this is the first, is the known as the serial DC cable, digital communication equipment. Communication means router to router, switch to switch, router to switch. This is the communication equipment, not user equipment. Terminal means user equipment. Communication from one location to another location, from one devices to another devices. So this cable used in this location. If I want to connect serial port, suppose here I take one computer. Okay, and this computer for internet purpose connect to the this case. So this case, in this case DT use, and here and DT, this is the serial port, and this is the RS230 port. Okay, in this port not available, but in computer you can look. So if you want to computer connect to the this router, this is user. In this case you can use DTE. Terminal equipment means user equipment. Okay, and communication equipment is router to router, router to switch. This is a communication equipment. Okay, but you can put any cable, no problem. Okay, now I just as per discussion which timer cable use. Here just use serial 1 by 0, another is serial 1 by 0, and again take here's 1 by 1, another side is also 1 by 1. So this is the now some additional, how to additional port added in your network. This is plan, and now you have my again question for all of you. How many LAN in this network? Again repeat, how many number of LAN in this network? Total number of LAN, Helica. Router 1 port is the one LAN. Again, I repeat here. So in this regard, identify, Helica, you can say 3. 3 to earlier already when we just in old configuration, there will be 3. Here I use additional router. So how many? Yes, yes, yes. 5. Very nice. Other Ascharya? Manumati? Okay. Very simple. I'll repeat. This is the one LAN, network 1. This is the network 2. And this is the network 3. And this is the network 4. And this is the network 5. Now you're a 5 network. Okay. So now without delay, just configuration start very fast manner. Already aware about this. So here the 5 network. We just take 5 network ID. This is the network 1. What is the network ID? Just second 192.168.1.0. Okay. Same manner, I take another. This is network 2. This is a network. This is a network 3, and this is a network 4, and this is a network 5. So just here network 2. This is a 2.0. This is the network 3. Okay. This is a 3.0. This is a network 4. This is a 4.0. And this is a network 5. And this is a 5.0. Okay. 5 network is here. Okay. Same manner, 1.1 put in this location, 2.1 in this location, 3.1. Already aware about. So just I click in this router 0, go to the CLI. First time if question yes or no, no. Okay. Then enable, then conf t, then int fa 0/1 IP address IP add 192.168.1.1. 255/24.0. I just take this copy, press enter, no shut, that is the do write and exit. Okay. So this port allotment of IP is this port is done. FA 0/1. Same manner another router port. Go to the CLI. This is a no. Enable conf t. Again here int FA 0/1 here again. Okay. Now press IP add. In this case, this is a 2.1. Power supply on, no shut. This is the do write and this is the exit. Okay. Now go for the number of this router, this last one. Click here, go to the CLI. First time no. Enable conf t int fa 0/1. This is the port. This is the port number 3.1. That is the 3.1. Power supply, no shut. This is the do write. Okay. So now this fast Ethernet 0 port easily to know okay, what allotment of IP. Okay. Okay. In this case 2.1. In this case. Now this port is the basically serial 1/0. So just click again here. This router. I want to IP address of the this port. I here put int SC 1/0. Always in the mind. Keep in the mind. Port identification is here. So here serial port. So SC 1/0. Okay. In this case, IP address just here. This is the 4.0. So I taken here 4.1. This is 4.1. Power supply on, no shut, and do write. Okay. And exit again. So this is the router. If I move my mouse here, so now you can see serial 1/0. This is the 4.1 and 0/1 already 1/1. Now in the middle router, here you have two additional port, 1/0 and 1/1. Okay. So in this case, this port 4.1 is given the left hand side. 4.2 is you can say put here, and here this location is the 5.1. So how to do it? Just click here. Okay. Yeah. Now, in case int SC 1/0, this is the left hand side port. In this case, IP add. This is the 4.2. I just for 4.2. Okay. Power supply on, no shut. Then they are writing do write. Okay. फिर exit. Here another port is available. SC 1 by 1. INT SC 1 by 1. Okay. And in this case, IP allotment is that 5.1. So this is go for the 5.1. Okay. Power supply on, no shut. This is the do write. Okay. Now close. Now if you move your mouse here, so you have three different ports: fast ethernet 0 by 1, 2.1, 4.2, and 5.1 as per our planning. Now in the last router, this port is 1 by 1. In this case, the IP allotment of this is a 5.0. That means ki 5.2. So again this exit INT SE 1 by 1. IP allotment in this case, this is the 5.2. 5.2. Okay. Power supply, no shut, and do write. Okay. So allotment of IP in the router is very similar, and this is again repeat today. So definitely you have no doubt from again here. This is the revised session for you. Now in the again this in the computer what IP allotment. Okay. Here is a no I use any DSCP because this session just making for the access control list, traffic control, either network security. So just put here manually IP. Okay. Click on this computer PC0, go to the desktop. Okay. 192.168.1.1 already given. So just you can say 1.2, and in this case gateway. Okay. So I just close this, go to the PC1, desktop, allotment of IP 1.3. Okay. And same manner, go to the middle router. This is a 2.0. So in this case, IP here, you can say here is the 2.2. Okay. Gateway is the 2.1. And the PC3, just desktop. This is a 2.3, no problem. 2.1, and the last this PC4 and PC5 here in this case allotment of IP 2.1. This is the PC4. In this case, PC4 is the 3.1. So this has 3, 1 not given, 1 already given, 3.2, and this is the gateway. And PC5, this is the in this case 3.3 and 1. Okay. And another one more thing in this network, just use the one web server. Okay, as per job ad. Okay. And IP allotment is this case 3.10, you can hear, no problem. So as per our planning, allotment of this IP desktop, here IP is the 3.10. Okay. So now IP allotment of each and everything is also router manually done. You have another option by the DSCP, already aware about also that configuration. One more thing, I want to the sending package from one location in the internally this is working. If but I sending packet from PC0 to the PC2, so it is only possible when a routing protocol here is done. Okay. So just in this network, you have already aware two types of routing protocol. One is the static, another is the dynamic. So you either put any routing protocol in this job ad, no problem. So I just take for this work project router RIP. Okay. So just click on this router. Just firing already configuration means router RIP. Okay. Version 2 network. Here are two network 1.0 and 4.0. 192.168.1.0. I think are you aware about this? Na? I already 4.0. and so do right. Okay, this is the routing protocol. And now go for the middle router. Here we have three network: 2.0, 4.0, and 5.0. So now just press in this uh, exit. First go to configuration mode. Just router RIP version 2 network 192.168.2.0. Another network is the 4.0, or another network is the 5.0. Sorry. Again, here the 53.0 wrongly put here. So how to remove? No router RIP. Now remove. Okay. Here my mistake 515. You know? So I just remove this command firing. Remove. Again here router RIP. Okay. Version 2. Okay. Network. This is the 5.0. You can put any before either, doesn't matter. This is the 4.0, and one more thing is the this is the 2.0. Okay, but another wrong network is not put here. Okay, do right. Front or back, there is no issue. So now in the middle router, it is also given the routing protocol. If I communicate from this PC, this will be successful. Okay, this PC3 to this PC, successful. Okay, successful. Again type it, successful. Now in the last, so again for the last router, exit router RIP version 2. Okay, network 192.168.3.0. Another is the 5.0. Okay, and this is the right. So definitely router RIP is also done. Now you can see allotment of IP. So I just testing. This is successful. I testing PC0 to the web server. This is also successful. Okay, this successful, and this is this successful, and from this to this successful. Okay, so this is I just show now. So from this types of configuration already you done my previous session, and you are also aware about how to configure any network. Okay, now my session one part is today and another part is tomorrow. We just listen very carefully and you enjoy a lot. Okay, now discuss. This is also known as the traffic control. Traffic control. Sometime you know ACL, access control list. Sometime you can say network security. Okay. What is the network security? There are already discussed about OSI layer. In OSI layer, we discussed there are 7 layers, 3 layer application, presentation, and session related to the user support layer. And same another is the network support layer. In this case, routers, switch, and physical devices. And third layer is the transport layer. So network security layer, definitely boss is the router. So router and their network will configure this known as the network security layer. Okay, this is a part of the cyber security, the whole network how to manage. Okay, so yeah, in this course we discuss about two types of ACL. One is the standard ACL, and second is the extended ACL. Okay, extended ACL. So now today discuss about a standard ACL. Okay, it will be take to 5 to 10 minutes, but it's very interesting. I'm just sharing more thing. Main project. Okay, now here the main project. Okay, in this case, suppose just learning purpose. Suppose these all are core router. Core router means main router. He control the national level network. Okay, and suppose Helica you are posted here, this router, this is India, this router is the network of India. If national router, definitely country level. Okay, and this is the Pakistan. Okay, and this is the China. Suppose. Okay, different national. This is the core router, definitely national level router. And suppose Hilika, you are posted in India and manager of the network traffic control. Either you can say you are at top management of network level. Okay, so you are posting in this case here, and you observe something. Your observation is that this from Pakistan side, there are two PC0 and two PC. This you can say there are two person. Okay, you just not look at this person. Just you think PC. This is thing. Imagine they are person. There are two person. One person is PC0 and another person is the PC1. Hilika, you because you are at working with the national router, definitely your responsibility just find out, check out what types of communication done by the another outside of the person, outside the country person. So suppose you realize कि PC0 in India only communicate miscommunication, illegal communication, increasing terrorism, and other thing. That communication is not reliable and that not is good for India. In this case, what happened? If you inform higher authority, yeah, if you just telling to the Pakistan, so Pakistan never accept कि PC0 doing any wrong. You go, no, my person is very good, going very well. Okay. In case higher authority just inform to you and give power to you, block that person in our country. If any person, another country doing wrong, so you have full authority that person completely communication block in India. Okay. So again, I repeat, here I repeat, one PC or a group of PC or whole network involve wrong activities from Pakistan side. In this case, how to manage? If we block as per situation one PC, a group of PC, either whole Islamabad, whole Karachi, suppose Karachi city, every people going very wrong. So in this whole network, complete blocking. Complete block means he can't able to communicate any types of communication. Very good example. 2 years back, in Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, after removing Article 370, there nothing any miscommunication, either any types of hypothetical uh, communication will be there. The government decided if any all types of communication, either you can telephone number, dialing up telephone number, internet, email, everything completely blocked. So such types of blocking is known as standard ACL. Standard is a complete blockment, and not any types of communication possible. Recently, time to time in India, every year, every location, as per direction of the government of India, your communication may be blocked. Okay. And this is one example. This is a standard ACL. In standard ACL, you can block complete communication. A communication blocked by the single PC, a single person, a group of person, a whole particular area block is possibility. Okay. In the same another way, if we block some particular services means Recently, you know very well, India decided a lot of application from the China not open in India. Very popular example, TikTok. TikTok, are you very well know? So TikTok is the particular services. India to China, not complete blocking, only particular services, TikTok, either email, either website, but we communicate other thing. You can communicate telephonic communication done, email sending done, but TikTok is not working in India. So particular service blocking is known as extended ACL. That is second case. Okay. So we discuss more about tomorrow extended ACL, but today standard ACL. In standard ACL, it is completely on your hand, and because as per ITU, International Telecommunication Union, just like UNESCO in other whole world organization, so in the communication system, in the communication field of the internet and communication, the whole world managed by the ITU, International Telecommunication Union. International Telecommunication Union very clear instructions कि you can block any other country communication, no problem, but you can't break. For example, what is the meaning of the break? In this case, uh, suppose in this case, yeah, in this case, this line is never break. You can block this line, no problem, but you can't break this line because it may be possible कि communication from Pakistan to China, Pakistan to Nepal may be using this path. So path is never break by the anyone. Otherwise, you violate the rule of international communication between two agreement between two countries. You can block if you are not like Pakistan, anybody communicate in your country, so you can block this at your own router, no problem. Okay, but path is never break. Okay, so now what we going for in this case? This is your router. I just realized if PC0 is just here in India, a lot of miscommunication. So I just go blocking PC0, but PC1 not block. Okay, so it is on your hand, and this is job as in your job at same women decided. Just click on this router, own router. First, they make a rule as per requirement. So everything going in the configuration mode. How to make a rule? Access list ACL. I use tab button. Access list. For standard ACL, ISO already decided rule number 1 to 99. 1 to 99. This standard ACL rule number 1 to 99. Suppose ACL 10, ACL 15. If anybody you can see any location, just keep in the mind ACL 15. That means standard ACL. That means complete blocking. In extended ACL, 100 to 199, and so on, and a lot of ACL possible. Okay, more than 2000 ACL facilities will be available. Okay, just here to discuss 1 to 9, 99 already decided by the ISO. Okay, so now come back directly practical. So now here you can put any digit from 1 to 99. I just put 10. Okay, deny. For deny, for who deny? Just this computer. What is IPF 1.2? I just deny 192.168.1.2. Not allow. Just I'm making the rule. And in the computer science, you are very well known. There is no subtraction or minus facilities available. So for how to solve this subtraction, either minus facilities in the computer science, use of the complement, one complement, two complement. So same manner here, just deny, that means ki minus. So for here in the place of subnet mask, here we use wild mask 0.0.0.0. I will explain more about wild mask tomorrow. Just press enter. I just make a rule in my router. In this router, Rule number 10, just avoid this person, not allow in country. But my router is very intelligent device. He just realize, deny if I not firing another line, so he complete block. I want to not complete block, so just again another line find access list, then permit. What permit? If I put one any IP, so only one computer allow. Okay. If I put any, so just leave 1.2 and other all 252 PC may be allowed. Just do right. This is the making the rule. How to make the rule? Just go to the own router. As per our requirement, I just firing this command. This is the blocking system, okay, and permission if any. Okay. Another thing now, before going, just this PC0, this is working, no problem. PC1, this is working, okay. And again PC0 to another side is working, okay. And this is also working, okay. Now more. But as per rule, now implementation. Suppose today in the morning, our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, just telling, dear friends, today internet is not working PC0 in India. Just speaking, na, Metro. Today not PC0 is not working from India today. Okay, his your own style. Okay, so just how to implement, just give the instruction, already rule is making. So I just go to the this gateway. Our gateway is the entry gateway is INTFA0/1. Okay. So how implement? Just firing IP access group. IP access group 10 out. In the 10, if in the 10 this out. Okay, do right. Now I test. I sending PC0. Now this is fail. You will lot of try because my this router not allowed to this entry in this location. But PC0 not blocking other location. This is successful. Same time PC1 is working. Okay. So this is the access control list. Such types of ACL used in the Kashmir when removing Article 370. Just standing main router, our engineer, as instruction given by the government, time to time, internet service down, telecommunication system down. The help of the this traffic control is possible. Okay. So Helika, just see this video once again and again. And tomorrow again the same time we discuss further, and any confusion we can again repeat. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so just now leave session because another class will just again already 12. Okay, so first, second, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.